Here's how to get your Airtable API key so you can connect your bases with external tools and automate your workflows. Head to airtable.com first, then click the profile icon in the top right corner of your Airtable account. From the dropdown, select Builder Hub. Over on the left sidebar under Developers, you'll see Personal Access Tokens. Click that, then hit Create Token, type a name in the name field. Something like Zapier Integration or API Access. Works well since you'll probably end up with a few of these over time, and it helps to know which one does what. Click Add a Scope to see the list of permissions. For reading data from records, select Data Records Read. For creating, editing, or deleting records, go with data.records write. Pick only what you actually need here. Tighter permissions mean better security if the token ever gets exposed. Scroll down to Add All Resources, which controls which bases the token can touch. Click Add a Base and select the one you want to connect. You can add multiple bases if your integration needs access to more than one. Hit Create Token once everything's set. A pop-up appears with your new token, and this part matters. Copy it immediately. Airtable only shows it once. Click the copy button, paste it into a password manager or somewhere secure, then click Done. The token now shows up on your Personal Access Tokens page. Click the three dots next to it if you need to make changes later. You can edit the name, scopes, or base access. Regenerate it if something seems off security-wise, or delete it completely when it's no longer useful. Adding more tokens for different integrations follows the same process. Your token's ready to use in API calls or third-party apps now.